Hey guys, in this video we're going to be checking out the top 5 best mouse for CAD software that are available on the market for their true quality. I made this list based on my personal opinion and hours of research, and have listed them based on popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinions, and more. If you want to see more information and the updated price, you can check out the description below. Also, make sure to subscribe for more reviews. Okay, so let's get started with the video. Starting at number 5, we have the Logitech MX Master 3S wireless mouse. The Logitech MX Master 3S is the latest iteration of Logitech's premium wireless mouse, designed to improve workflow productivity. It features an ergonomic shape optimized for right-handed users with a comfortable palm grip design. The mouse uses Logitech's advanced dark-field high-precision sensor, now upgraded to 8000 dpi from 4000 dpi on the prior model. This allows for ultra-precise cursor control and tracking on any surface, including glass. The MX Master allows precise control when working on detailed CAD drawings or manipulating objects in 3D modeling software. The mouse glides smoothly, even on glass surfaces. Its ergonomic shape with textured grips offers excellent comfort for extended work sessions. Moving on, at number 4, we have the Razer DeathAdder V3 Pro Wireless Gaming Mouse. The Razer DeathAdder V3 Pro remains one of the top mice recommended for CAD software and AutoCAD. This ultra-lightweight wireless gaming mouse weighs only 63 grams and features an ergonomic right-handed design developed with esports professionals. It utilizes Razer's latest Focus Pro 30K optical sensor, providing an insane 30,000 dpi sensitivity and 750 IPS tracking speed with 99.8% resolution accuracy. The DeathAdder V3 Pro also includes Razer's hyperspeed wireless technology for super fast response times of up to 8000 Hz polling rate when paired with the hyperpolling dongle, sold separately. Architects will appreciate the refined contours that offer greater palm and finger support. 5 programmable buttons allow customizing shortcuts for enhanced workflow. At number 3, we have the Logitech MX Vertical Advanced Ergonomic Mouse. The Logitech MX Vertical Advanced Ergonomic Mouse is an advanced vertical mouse designed for comfort, reducing muscle strain and wrist pressure. It features a 57-degree steep angle that keeps the hand in a natural handshake position. The 2024 model builds on previous versions with enhanced tracking precision and improved connectivity options. The precision of the Logitech MX Vertical Advanced Ergonomic Mouse comes from its 4000 dpi high-precision sensor, resulting in fluid and accurate cursor control with 4x less hand movement compared to a regular mouse. At number 2, we have the JTech Digital Scroll Endurance Wireless Mouse. The JTech Digital Scroll Endurance is an ergonomic vertical mouse that reduces wrist and hand pain. It has a unique upright shape and keeps the hand and wrist in a neutral position to avoid twisting. The mouse also comes with a removable palm rest to support the hand and reduce drag on the desk. It uses optical tracking for precise cursor control and has adjustable DPI settings from 600 to 1600 DPI. The Scroll Endurance is wireless and connects via a USB receiver. It has back and forward thumb buttons for easy web browsing. The mouse is compatible with Windows, Mac OS X, and Linux operating systems. And finally, at number 1, we have the VicTsing Wireless Mobile Mouse. The VicTsing Wireless Mobile Mouse is a lightweight, portable mouse for laptops and mobile devices. It connects wirelessly via a USB receiver and features optical tracking for precise cursor control. The design works for both left and right-handed users. The mouse runs on a single AA battery, providing up to 3 months of use on a full charge. The VicTsing Wireless Mobile Mouse utilizes advanced optical tracking technology to deliver smooth, accurate cursor control without lag or jumping. It has 5 DPI options, adjustable in increments of 200, ranging from 1000 DPI for slower movements to 1600 DPI for faster navigation. Thanks for watching, and that's all for now. I hope to see you guys in the next video. Till next time!